Today we are going to compare 3-digit numbers using the greater than, equal to, and less than symbols. Okay? We're going to do what we did yesterday a little bit first and practice and kind of remember what we need to do. Before we start, I'm just going to review real quick. How many hundreds is in 267? 2. Okay. How many tens?
6.
How many ones?
7.
Okay. How many in the number 176? How many hundreds?
1.
How many tens?
7.
How many ones?
6.
Okay. Which one is greater? How can you, wait, come on. How can you tell which one is greater? I'm actually not asking which number is greater. I want you to tell me how you know one of the numbers is greater. How can you tell which number is greater? Anthony?
Because it's 200 and 100 and 100.
By the hundreds place, right? By the hundreds place. There are 2 hundreds. Therefore, that one is bigger because this only has 100, right? Whenever we compare numbers to see which one's bigger or which one's smaller, which one's greater or which one's less, you first look where? At the hundreds. Okay? You first look at the hundreds. Get your hand up on your desk so I know that you're not doing something you're not supposed to do. Okay. Let's do another problem. Here's the story problem for today. Okay. There was 125 butterflies and 132 birds at the park. Were there more butterflies or more birds? 125, 132. 125, 132. Okay. So, drawing this quick picture. What am I going to do on 125? Liam? 1 what? 100 square? 2 tens. Everyone? 5 ones. Okay, now help me with 132. What are we going to do? 1 100. 3 tens. And everyone?
2 1.
2 ones. Okay, look at this. How can we tell now which one should be greater?
10.
Can you look at the hundreds?
No.
No. Well, I mean, yes, you do look at the hundreds first. I'm sorry. Okay. So yes, you do look at the hundreds first. But the problem is they're the same. Right? So now we have to go to the next place, which is the tens. Now you look at the tens. Does this tell us which one is greater?
Yes.
Okay, so which one is greater?
The bottom.
Okay, because 3 is greater than 3 is greater than 2. Do we need to look at the ones to also figure this out? Do we?
No.
No. The tens tell us it's greater. We don't need to look at the ones. Okay? The ones don't matter because the tens have a bigger number. The only time you have to look at the ones is if the hundreds are the same, the tens are the same, and then the ones are different. Do you understand? Okay. So there were more what at the park? 125 butterflies or 132 birds? What was more? Birds.
Yeah, people can go down to the bottom.
Yeah, read the story problem. I know.
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, next page. Yep, flip it over. Okay, boys and girls, yesterday you drew pictures to find answers. Today you don't have to. You get to just use the numbers to find greater and less or equal. Whoa. Don't need the comments. Okay? Now, let's talk about this before we start. Use place value to compare numbers. Boys and girls, you are doing alligator mouths today. Okay? The mouth is open and eating, getting ready to eat the bigger number. Okay? All right, so you open to the bigger number. All right? The throat or whatever is to the smaller number. Now, you also might have something that might be equal. Okay? And that is just two lines for equal sign. All right? Okay. So you're using place value to compare numbers. Start by looking at the digits in the greatest place value. The greatest is the hundreds. 100 is more than 10 and 100 is more than 1. Okay? You always look at the 100th position first, or the greatest one first. If there's 1,000, you're going to look at 1,000 first. Okay? But I think there's just 110s and 1s. So looking at here, we have 483, 570. You look at the hundreds first. Which one's greater? 5 is greater than 4. So 570 is greater than 483. Eat 570. They already kind of have it for you. Does that make sense? Okay. 352. 346. You look at the hundreds first. They are the
same.
So then we need to look at the tens. 5 and 4. 5 is greater. So you're gonna eat the number that has the 5 in the middle. 352 has 5 in the middle, so you're gonna eat 352. Okay. Number 1. 239, 179. Looking at the what place first?
100.
Can that number tell us if which one's greater?
Yes.
Okay. The one that starts with the 2 is greater. Eat the number that starts with the 2. 239 is greater than 179. Number 2. Look at the hundreds. They're the same. So then we need to look at the They're the same. So here's where the ones matter. 5 and 7. Which one's greater?
7.
So you need to eat the number with the 7 at the end. Okay. Now, they're not in a chart. They're just numbers written there on number 3. We still look at the hundreds first. Look at the hundreds place. Does that tell us which one's bigger?
Yes.
What number is bigger?
7.
So you need to eat 764 because 7 is bigger than 6. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Ellie? Yep, it matters though where they are at in the place values, huh? Okay, number 4. You first look at the.
Let me interrupt your teachers. This is just a test. Yeah, this is just a test. Thank you.
Okay, number 4. You look at the hundreds. They are the.
6.
So we need to look at the tens this time. The middle one. They are different. Which one is greater?
7.
7. So you're going to eat the number with the 7 in the middle. Okay. You guys can do on your own. Now, boys and girls, the bottom is hot. Okay, so let's do this one real quick before you do the top on your own. You guys actually get to write in a 3-digit number of your own that makes the comparison true. Okay? So, 526. What is this saying? This needs to be the number that we create has to be a greater number than 526. Nicholas, give me a greater number. What?
200.
Okay, let's check if you are right. 200. Look at the hundreds place. Is 5 greater than 2?
No.
Is 5 greater than 2?
Yes.
Is 5 more cookies than 2?
Yes.
So is this correct?
No.
No. Cannot write 200. 200 is not greater than 500.
5 is bigger than 2.
5 is bigger than 2.
I know a number that's bigger than
Okay, I'll take your half with them. Not just 5, it has to be the whole number. Okay, Hudson,
600.
can you give me some more numbers? 600 what?
600.
90. Okay. Do you guys agree now?
Yes.
Okay, number 12, 319. Look at this. It's saying 300, it's eating the 319. So 319 has to be the bigger number. So you need to come up with a smaller number than 319. You need to come up with a smaller number than 319. Grayson.
200. And
270. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Yes. 3 is greater than 2, therefore that would work. I'm going to let you guys do this other 2.
Yay.
13 and 14 on your own. Okay, let's look at the back real quick.
Dinosaur.
Okay.
Dinosaur.
You can do this one on your own. You just have to compare the numbers. Who has more stickers? Miss York or Miss Reed? Okay. Number 15 though. Seth has some number cards. Use the digits on these cards to make a 3-digit number. Use each card only once. Compare the numbers. You look at those 2 numbers and you choose which one is greater or less. Okay, so I put 3 digits on. They picked 8, 5, and 6 for the first number. 3, 2, and 1, so 856, 321. You guys are going to write whether which one is greater and which one is less.